Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham Erie. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This extended stay hotel property in Erie is conveniently located near numerous restaurants and shops. The hotel is connected to Splash Lagoon indoor water park, which is open year-round for splashing entertainment. Each guest room has a living area offering a relaxing space with a sofa. Kitchen facilities include a stovetop, dishwasher, full-sized refrigerator, microwave and toaster. Cooking utensils and dishware area also included. An airport shuttle transports guests between 7 o'clock and 2300. For relaxation, Hawthorn Suites by Wyndham Erie features a sauna, a hot tub and an indoor pool. The hotel's fitness center provides cardiovascular equipment for those who like to keep fit. Peak Resort is located just 30 minutes away from this hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.